This is the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. It's the one with that clean black and stainless steel finish. First off, it looks way more premium than you'd expect for the price. It's got that sleek minimalist vibe that fits perfectly in any modern kitchen setup, and the setup is zero effort. You just pop in the included batteries, hit the power button, and you're good to go. The LCD screen is bright and easy to read even under kitchen lights. No squinting required. It measures in grams, ounces, or pounds, and it's accurate down to a single gram. Perfect for meal prepping, baking, or dialing in those protein portions. One thing I love is fast. You don't get that annoying lag when you add or remove ingredients. It just snaps to the new weight instantly. If you're tracking macros, baking, or just trying to stop eyeballing portions, this scale does the job without the overcomplicated features you'll never use. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.